Hello everyone, welcome to Mechepisode. In today's video, we are going to see about SolidWorks tutorials for Extrude Cut and Revolved Cut. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. First one is Extrude Cut, and go to Sketch, select any one plane and draw a rectangle. I have selected center point rectangle and draw like this, and click smart dimension and add the dimensions. I give 120 mm. This one is 200 mm and this one is fully constrained. Now exit the sketch. Now go to features and click extrude boss base. Now give 30 mm and click OK. Now select this top and click sketch and press Ctrl 8. I select circle, draw two circles, and press Ctrl and select both and make equal. Go to smart dimension. Dimension is, give the diameter 25 mm and draw the center line. Click smart dimension. Give 65 mm. Here also 65. And click this dimension 60. And this also 60. Now click OK. Then exit sketch. Go to features and click Extruded Cut. I'm checking rotated view. Now the both sketches are selected. Here I give through all, or otherwise if you give up to next, and click OK. Now material is removed. This one is Extruded Cut, and next one is Revolved Cut. Now select this and click sketch and press Ctrl 8. Draw a center line, click infinity length, draw a horizontal line. OK. And select the line. And draw a rectangle like this. And OK. Now exit the sketch. Go here and click Revolved Cut. Now go here and rotate to you. This one is Revolved Cut and click OK. This area is material was removed. This one is Revolved Cut. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to Mechepisode.